Hello everyone, it's day 2 in Ooty and today we are going to experience the toy train ride, and right now we have reached the Ooty station. So as we have planned to enjoy the entire journey from Ooty to Mettupalayam, but mostly people they travel from Ooty to Kannur because the train reaches Mettupalayam at around 6 to 6:30 p.m. And if you are planning to come back to Ooty, so getting a proper conveyance is very difficult. So as we have planned to return back to Ooty, we hired a cab which dropped us at Ooty station and then it drove to Mettupalayam to pick us up for our journey back to Ooty. The cab driver charged rupees 1500, which is pretty okay because it was a two-way trip for him from Ooty to Mettupalayam and then back to Ooty, and he had to wait at the Mettupalayam station for us for almost 2 hours. So I think it was a pretty good deal. Most of you might have heard the song Chal Chhaiya Chhaiya from the movie Dil Se. The video was filmed basically on the top of the moving train and the location was in between Ooty and Kannur. In that song you could see the awesome scenic beauty with SRK and Malaika dancing while the train taking twist and turn along the mountain route. But after we traveled from Kannur to Mettupalayam, we felt that this route is much more beautiful than that between Ooty and Kannur. And here you could see the waterfalls, streams, dangerous, breathtaking mountain passes and bridges, and of course a lot of tunnel. The view, words cannot express, maybe only the eyes could feel it. I think one should opt the entire train journey from Ooty to Mettupalayam to experience the real beauty and thrill of this Nilgiri mountain railway. The journey from Ooty to Mettupalayam is around 4 to 5 hours, or otherwise one can also opt for travelling from Mettupalayam to Ooty, and in this case the train departs from Mettupalayam early morning. So whichever be the route, one has to plan accordingly, I would say. One most important thing, if you want to travel by first class, then I would suggest it's better to book the ticket well in advance, else general tickets are available anyway which you can purchase in the station itself on the day of journey. Finally, we are about to reach our destination, that is Mettupalayam, and we got a call from our driver. He is waiting outside, and this journey will always remain in our heart, in our mind, like it was one of the best journeys, and felt so happy. And tomorrow we are going to Paikara, so we will take you there along with us. Till then, bye bye, see you again, and please like, share and subscribe. It means so much to me, like your support, and thank you so much for supporting me. See you again, bye bye.